Hello, my friends. It has been a hot minute or a million, hasn't it, since I've been here on the channel with you all. I've missed you. Where have you been? I haven't been creating as much. I certainly have not bought anything new, so I'm still sticking to the use what you have method, and I've actually purged a lot more. All of my craft room stuff is on this side of my room, and then this is my, like, do I look more professional over here? And hey, I painted that and I'm pretty proud of it. But anyway, yes, so there has been a lot going on, and it's kind of like I have a split personality almost, like my office, because over here, which you can't see, well, hold on, I'll show you. There's all my craft stuff. And then over here is like my more professional setting, my moody setting. I painted the wall. I had someone paint the walls in my office. I got new furniture. I painted some art. Anyway, so it's like my brain is now my craft room. I have two separate businesses. So I still have my card making business. I'm still making cards, even though it doesn't seem like I am because I haven't been here in forever. But I am. I am not giving that up. That has been a passion of mine for the last 19 or 20 years. I'm aging myself. Most of you have been along with me. So I am not giving that up. That is still going to happen. It's going to be coming back to the channel. Fear not. But I also built something new. So now I have two businesses. So with my card making, I have my card making. Then I started the summit business with Justine Hovey, and we've still got that going on. In fact, we have a new stress-free card making summit coming out in October. So that's still going on, but I also did something different. And I kind of want to plug my husband a little bit, but not really because I don't want to give him any credit. But he would always say, why do you keep spending all this money? Is there some way that you can make your hobby make money? And at first it was like, can you go sell your cards? No, I'm not going to go sell my cards. Like, he wanted me to go knock on doors and go to boutiques and say, here, you want to sell my cards? I'm not going to do that. The second he said, can you sell your cards? I was like, ew, no, because if I do that, it won't be fun anymore. And if it's not fun anymore, I'm not going to want to create anymore. Are you following me? So I had all of this. I had all of this in place. I have my YouTube channel. I have my summits. I have my website. I have my bullet journals. I had all these different things. And on top of that, inside this crazy thing we call a brain, I had a ton of different ideas and a ton of different things I wanted to do. For a while, I tried to sell my watercolor art. I tried to do a bunch of print-on-demand things. None of those things really worked out. And it wasn't because they weren't good ideas, because I only have good ideas, like hello, and so do you. But it was because I really didn't have a foundation. Like, where was I going to put all this stuff, right? Because I had a bunch of different subscriptions, like most of you all. I have a website, I have Canva, I have photo editing, I have a newsletter subscription, I have a social media subscription so I can post my reels, I had a Calendly so I can book calls, I had like a Kajabi, I had all of these things. And they were in all different parts of the internet. So I would have to go to different places and log in to all these different places, which means I had to organize them on my bookmark bar. And let's face it, I never could find them again. I had subscriptions when I actually sat down to audit all the subscriptions I have, which audit is like a cuss word to me, truly is. I did not even know I signed up for half of the subscriptions that I had. So I had been paying for all that stuff and I had no idea I was paying for it, and therefore I was not using it. So I decided there has got to be something out there to where I can do all of this inside of one place, one platform, one foundation, if you will. And I found some places, but I'm going to be honest with you, they were ugly. They were very bro, masculine looking, like little stickies and stick figures and flow charts and listen, I don't work in corporate. I'm sure not going to put that up on my computer. So I said, forget all this. So I actually created a all-in-one platform, and it's called the Funnel Queens. I have so much fun. I put on a little crown and I do all these fun reels. And that's kind of why I've been MIA for the last several months, because I've been building that up into something that is wonderful and powerful and feminine, and I love it. But let me be clear, again, I am not leaving my crafty life behind. I am still going to be doing cards. I am still going to be doing the summits. I have just created something that I felt like this industry was missing. It is for people that already have businesses. It is for hobbyists who want to find a way to make money with their business. And it is feminine, and it is pretty, and it is functional, and it is built for you. And that is what I have created in addition to my card making business. So I'm not going anywhere. Don't unsubscribe me on YouTube. The card making tutorials are going to come back. I just had to put pause on it so I could build out this other thing that I am so happy with. And it has actually freed up money because now I only have to pay for one thing. And it has freed up time because now I can go into this one platform and do everything out of it. Posting to social media, doing my website. My website has a total new revamp. Everything is built inside of this one platform. So the platform is the foundation. It's like the ecosystem. And then I have a team. Did you hear me? I have a team. Laurelbeard have a team. And anyway, they are tech geniuses and they are creatives and they are graphic designers and they are the tech behind the brand because I don't want to do any of it. And if I don't want to do any of it, you don't want to do any of it. If you've ever wanted a beautiful website, we can build that for you. If you've ever wanted if you don't have an email list and you want one, but you need to put something out there into the world, some kind of freebie in exchange for an email list, we can build that for you. If you have a funnel, if you want to actually take that one step further and make it into a funnel, you can take that freebie. You can say, here, I'll give you this in exchange for the email. Great. Now, did you know that I actually offer this? I sell these cards. I sell these courses. I do this. I do that. That's like a funnel. It's like a 3 to 4 step funnel, and it all triggers and automates automatically. Is that right grammar? I don't know. So if you're a creative out there, you're a follower of mine and you've started a business or you want to start a business or if you want to find a way to make money from your hobby and you need a platform, an ecosystem, a foundation to do that in, my software, the Funnel Queens, is for you. If you want to build funnels or you want to build websites or you want to build landing pages and all those things, I can also help you. Me and my tech team can help you with that. Oh my God, my tech team. I can't even. We can help you with that too. So if any of this sounds like anything of interest to you, book a call with me. I've got it down in the description below. You can book a 20-minute call with me. We can chat. We can see where you're at. We can see if this is even something that you want help with, if it's something that I can offer you. If it's not, maybe I can point you in the right direction or give you some guidance. But for now, let's talk about the crafty channel here. Like, I need to dust off my supplies and create something, which brings me to you. I need you guys to tell me what you want the next video to be. Is there a certain technique you want me to focus on? Do you want me to work with color palettes, with my inks? Let me know in the comments below what you want to see from me next. Drop your ideas for me that you have in the comments below and I will pick one to make my next video, and you will probably give me tons of ideas for future videos as well. I'm still here and I'm so glad that you are here too. And I will see you next time.